Okay, today is Thursday, March the 14th. Came in today to see some exciting stuff. Nothing really on the outside because this has all been pretty much where it was. But as we start going in, you can already tell that sheetrock pile has gone down because we are getting sheetrock installed in these rooms. So really starting to come together where we can really understand how it's all going to look. Throughout the house, they got the majority of the top section complete. We got this one guest bedroom right here. Guest bedroom 2 is all sheetrocked in, and so is the bathroom. Of course, now we no longer really have light coming in, but everything is sheetrocked there. Come down the hall, which is all sheetrocked. Guest bedroom 3, getting there, and this bathroom's almost complete. As we go through the house, pretty much all the rooms at least have the top sections complete. Master bedroom, master bathroom, of course Laura's closet, and my closet. Another huge day. I won't be surprised if they have all this complete tomorrow. Very exciting.